if I made some mistakes, which obviously I will. There is an error on the syllabus on the grading section. Oh, by the way, this is data mining class, which will be taught by me, Songrit. Okay. And the error that I made is in the grading section. Oh, it is really can we zoom in somehow? Come on. So anybody got the syllabus, right? The homework will be 20% instead of 10%. The project will be 30%. You may not be able to read that my handwriting, but that is 30 instead of 20. The midterm will be just 20, and the final will be 30. So please make the correction for that. And okay, so I'll give the outline of today. So today we will discuss a little bit about the syllabus. Oh, okay. And then we go to some introduction about the data mining and all the little topics. So for the admin work, which is about the syllabus and all other things. So the time and place will be here, Tuesdays from 6 to 9. And there's my email address in case that you have any problem. Or do you have any syllabus left? Can you pass it back to me? For those who are just coming in, please get a syllabus at the back of the room. And there is an error on the syllabus about the grading. There is only one left. Okay, can you look at his syllabus? I mean, there is an error on the syllabus about the grading section, which the homework will be 20% instead of 10%. Project will be 30%. Midterm 20, and final will be 30. That's it. Actually, if you don't have one or you lost the syllabus, you can go to the web page, the class web page, and I put one online there, and that one should be the updated one. So the information on the web should be the most recent, and you can check it. I try to put everything on the web, but I'm not sure that I can put all in advance. For example, the class material today, I already put it on the web, so you can download it. Actually, it's like before you come into the class, you can download and print it out. But I will put it on today. Usually, it's like in the afternoon, and then you can, before you come into the class, you can download and print it out, so that you don't have to write everything on the slide. And okay, the office hour from on Monday from 5 to 7 p.m. or by an appointment. So if you have some question and you cannot come at that time, you can email me, and we can make it at another time. Can you see it? Okay. And the text will be the same as in the syllabus. Data mining introductory and advanced topic. This one. But actually, unfortunately, this one is not available yet. You have to wait about 1 or 2 months before you can get this one. The problem with this subject is there is only one book available in Thailand, and that book is not quite, it's like IT related, not computer engineer related. In the whole book, I can't see a single formula. So it's like it discusses all the data mining software and the such, not the algorithms underlying the data mining, which we will focus on that part. Actually, there are a couple of texts that I think they are pretty interesting, but none of them will be available in Thailand. So I think I have to stick with this one. And there is a draft by the author of this book, Margaret Dunham. I found that the draft of the book, it actually is just like partial draft. That is, it is not the whole book, just the first 5 chapters. And when I look at that one and this one, the final book, the material is quite different, but you are welcome to download the draft version in case that you want to look it at this time. Or if you don't want to wait, you can come to see me, and then I can make a first few chapter, the copy of that, so that you can read it. But I think for the draft of the book, you can go to my website, the class website, and then download it from there. It is in PostScript file format. So that is about the book. And actually, I think that the material in the slide should be enough, even though I will not put everything on the slide, but I'll try to discuss everything or related topics when on the slide. Okay, so that is one thing, is the reading, and then it will be like, this is the updated version, so the homework will be 20%. I'm not so sure if it's going to be 2 or 3 assignments, but I think it's going to be 3 assignments. Each homework is due 2 weeks from the assignment date. At the beginning of the class, that means that you just put the homework here before the class begins, so that I don't see anybody do the homework during the class. And you see that late submission within 1 day will receive 20% of deduction of the whole point. The project is by the way, this is the tentative. It can be changed depending on how many people attending the class. So the project will be 30%, and I think I will discuss about the project later on the 4th week. By that time, maybe some of you will know that you will continue on this class, or you are just shopping for the classes. So, and the project should be individual by this time because there are not so many of you. So I think that the project should be individual. There are 2 phases of the project. One is project proposal, which you will write small, not a big report, just few pages that discuss what you will do. But the topic and scope I will discuss later. That will be 20% of the project point. And the final report will be the substantial part of the project. Then the presentation, which will be at the last 2 weeks, I think it's possible for all of you to present them all. Maybe short presentation, just 10 minutes or something like that. That presentation will be 30% of the project point. And final exam will be, final and midterm will be in class, and the final will be comprehensive. That means the material cover from the beginning to the end. I think that in the syllabus there will be something more like the regrading and the such. You can look at the syllabus, and if you have any question, you can ask me. And like I said, it said here that all work must be your own. That is, you cannot copy from your friend's work and then send it. submitted.